If you're looking for a new boiler, considering a Combi is a must. And in this video, we will go over the best Combi boilers from the 5 most popular brands in the UK, so you can find the one that's right for you. So let's get straight into the first boiler, which is the Worcester Bosch Greenstar 8000 style Combi. Worcester Bosch is the most installed boiler in the UK, and for a good reason. Their Greenstar Combi boiler is not only efficient, but rather stylish as well, with its glossy front cover available in black or white. It has an ERP rating of A for both heating and hot water, with an efficiency of 94%. And while the boiler comes in outputs ranging from 30 kilowatts to 50 kilowatts, and can work for any type of house, it is best suited for small to mid-sized properties, with up to 2 bathrooms and 20 radiators. You can also get the longest warranty for this boiler of up to 12 years, when this boiler is installed by a Worcester accredited installer. The Greenstar style Combi retails for around £1,300 to £2,297, excluding installation. If you would like to get the Greenstar or any of the other boilers upcoming in the list installed for the best possible price, we can help you with that. Our service can put you in touch with up to 3 gas-safe registered engineers who can guide you on the best boiler options and give you free, no obligation quotes to compare so that you can find the best deal. All you have to do is fill in our form, which takes less than a minute to complete. Now, let's move on to the next boiler. The Baxi Platinum Compact Combi. This compact boiler can fit easily in a kitchen cupboard and runs so quietly that you would hardly know it's even there. And while it's very compact in its physical size, you can get it in outputs starting from 24 kilowatts, ranging all the way up to 40 kilowatts. This means that it is both suitable for smaller homes with a single bathroom, up to larger houses with 2 bathrooms and around 20 radiators. You can get a 10-year warranty for both the boiler itself and the parts. This boiler is even hydrogen ready, allowing you to fuel it with a lower carbon emission 20% hydrogen fuel, should it be introduced to the gas network in the future. The Baxi Platinum Compact retails for around £921 to £1,276, making it the cheapest Combi boiler on this list. Next up, the Vaillant ecoTEC Exclusive with Green IQ Combi. The ecoTEC Exclusive is very energy efficient, with low fuel consumption and even lower running costs. Vaillant really focused on eco-friendliness with this boiler, and 85% of its parts can be recycled. It also features Vaillant's Green IQ mark, which means it can adapt itself to giving you exactly the amount of heating you need, meaning minimal wasted fuel and energy. And the ecoTEC Exclusive does reach a 94% efficiency and has an ERP rating of A for both heating and hot water. It's also powerful, coming with outputs ranging from 26 kilowatts to 43 kilowatts, and is easily suitable for larger properties with around 20 radiators. On top of the Green IQ mark, the ecoTEC Exclusive also is Quiet Mark approved, so even if you have it in the kitchen, it won't cause disturbances when running. You can get a 10-year warranty when you get the boiler installed by a Vaillant advanced installer. The ecoTEC Exclusive retails from around £1,425 up to £1,673. Next up, the Ideal Vogue Max. As part of Ideal's premium range, the Vogue Max promises only the highest quality components are used in the boiler, and it's also easy to use, with its easy to read pressure gauge. You can get a warranty of 10 years for it, which can even be extended to 12 if the boiler is installed and serviced regularly by a Max accredited installer. The Vogue Max has an efficiency of 93% and ERP rating of A, again for both heating and hot water. And it comes in outputs ranging from 18 kilowatts to 40 kilowatts, making it best suited for smaller to mid-sized homes, with up to 2 bathrooms and 15 radiators. The Vogue Max Combi retails from around £1,089 to £1,323. And last but not least, the Viessmann Vitodens 200W Combi. This boiler reaches an impressive efficiency rate of 98%, making it the most efficient of all the boilers on this list. And it also, of course, boasts an ERP rating of A for both heating and hot water. It, however, comes in slightly smaller output capacities than the other boilers on this list, ranging from 25 kilowatts to 34 kilowatts. Therefore, it is also best suited for small to mid-size households of up to 2 bathrooms and around 15 radiators. You can get a 10-year warranty for this boiler when you register it through their Viessmann installer portal. The Vitodens 200W Combi retails for around £1,500 to £1,600. And that wraps up our list of the best combi boilers for 2024. Do remember that all the prices in this video are estimates and do not include the price of installation. If you want to make sure to get the installation for the best price, you can easily request up to 3 quotes from local installers with our service. All you have to do is fill in our form, which takes less than a minute to complete. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next one.